Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is my IPSY unboxing. Yay! Okay, so they sent it in a little bit sturdier of a packaging this month. I think they heard me when I said some of my stuff was a little smashed. There we go. Trying to get the scissors in there and it was not working out. It's so beautiful outside. Actually, no, they didn't listen. As if they heard me. It's still in the bag. It's just whatever's in the bag is puppy. Wow. Ooh, this bag feels good. This is like an outdoor washable, rinsable bag. I love it. Okay. So let's get into it. Wow. Everything in here is bulky. I feel like I'm really getting my money's worth. And I'm not even paying very much. Okay, the tallest thing, still a little smashed. Ahava. Ooh, time to clear purifying mud mask. Yes. I need to clear because I've got some little breaking out stuff going on right now. I am not a fan. Not a fan at all. And it probably is because I switched up my skincare routine. So I really need to go get some stuff. I haven't. So yeah, that's probably why. And a nice tube. So it's a press on. A squeeze out. I like squeeze out masks or sheet masks. The ones you have to dig in, not so much. Okay, apply generously. Rinse after 2 minutes. Okay. Coolness. Might be doing that today. I'm going to have to go through my other stuff and look at it. I know I have other masks, so we'll do them in order. Don't worry. The next thing in the bag. Oh, sorry. The next thing in the bag. Kimchi chic. Puff puff pass. Set and bake powder. I was like, what? That's cute. And suntan bronze is the color. I was like, what? Let's see. Cruelty free, paraben free, PEGs free, and phthalates free. Very good. Sulfate free, synthetic fragrance free, and vegan. Very nice. Okay, let's see.
I love hearing that you're happy. Tanya Quinn.
Thank you. My phone picks up stuff at the randomest times. It's a little freaky. Okay, I just opened this. Oh, I opened it in the wrong place. Something just buzzed by my head. I love nature from a distance, not the little buggies, the big animals. Oh, this is so cute and pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a little cake pot that they use. Like, it's giving me geisha vibes. Oh my gosh, how you make with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all day slay, even when you cry. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Now we have to open it. This is so cute. I almost don't even want to open it. Aww. Suntan bronze. This color. Maybe it's translucent. Translucent. Oh, it's got a nice puff. Very good. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Very cute packaging though. This, I love. This is everything. This is so cute. Okay, next thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Okay, Complex Culture Good Glow Blush Duo in Spiced Up and Be Content. Oh, I am all about a blush duo. I'm loving. They've been sending these lately from different companies. I have a blush quad that came from somewhere. Love it. Love it. Had I worn makeup in Colorado, I would have taken it. The colors are beautiful. They blend together nicely. They blend on there individually nicely. Vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. 2-in-1 blush duos. I'm loving this. I'm loving all these giant things. Oh, the packaging is so chic. Oh, with the gold. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Oh, and she's, oh, very secure. Subtle glow, total glow. So this is a little sheet it came in. That came in. Don't look at my nails. Subtle glow, total glow. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. See, these are the kind of things that make me want to do makeup all week at work. Wow, those are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. I still have more in the bag. These three things, I still have more in the bag. This last thing is sitting sideways, so I'm going to save it for last. Context, nude balm. Okay. All or nothing and hard time. Oh, there's two. I love IPSY Plus. IPSY Glam Bag Plus, you are the bomb.com. You are the schniznit. Oh, gosh. All or nothing and hard time. Oh, my gosh. How cute are these? Okay. I mean, the packaging. Nude balm. Nude balm. All or nothing, hard time. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. It's a dark tinted nude. I'm here for it. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, wait. I put on some of my dollar, oh shoot. My $1.49 Cocoa Balm. It used to be 99¢, but whatever. Nude. Nude. With a bit of shimmer. Ooh. So soft. Why do I put it on the most awkward place on my hand? I don't know. Don't ask me these questions. Okay. Oh, where's the tissue? It's so pretty. I can't. Okay, this dark one though. Okay, we're gonna find a better spot. There we go. Like a brick color. Okay. So the other one is probably really kind of close to my lip color or lighter than my lip color, so I can't see that one as well, but I'm keeping them. Ooh, yeah. Just run out to the HEB or the Kroger and get, Okay, last thing in the bag. The Butter. Ooh, tea tree and aloe mask scrub. Triple action clay mask, foam cleanser, deep exfoliator by Butter. I love it. I love it. These oh my gosh. They just clean, dry skin, avoiding eye and lip areas. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Splash face with water to activate. Massage into skin and rinse. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I'm here for it. This bag was amazing. I cannot wait to use everything. You shouldn't use everything all at once. All new things you need to ease into one product at a time so you don't break your face out and don't mess up anything because if you have a reaction, you won't know what you reacted to because you added so many things at once. So use one product at a time. However, comma, semicolon, slash, hyphen, I might have to use the blush and I'm obviously using the lip balm. I might have to use the blush and the mask. I gotta go through my masks. Okay. And this right here. Oh, okay, wait. I think I'm gonna use this first. Doesn't matter. Well, obviously not the blush first, because yeah. Wow. And this is 3.4 ounces. And this is 3.40. The difference in packaging, though. Oh, because this is tall and skinny, and this is short and fat. And also sealed for safety or spillage. This is also sealed. That's my box. 10-minute video. But I love it. I love it. Oh, where's my other balm? Where's the all or nothing? Oh, here it is. Let's try this in a different place on my hand. Yeah, it's just super light. So this is like a super nude. But it's really pretty. It's got some shimmer to it. And it is very soft. They're both very soft. Not sticky at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it even blends out really easy. Okay. Yeah, we're not trying the blushes on right now because I am going to save those. Holy crap, those are wonderful. I need another road trip. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I had a fantastic time. This was so awesome. This bag is awesome. Okay, and I'm gonna go reorganize my stuff so I can use all my masks. Thank you again. Y'all have a great day. Be sure to be kind. Peace.